And we're at the Sierra Valley Preserve Nature Center, wildlife viewing area. Feather River Land Trust and the Nature Conservancy. This is in Sierra Valley in Plumas County, and this is where the headwaters of the middle fork of the Feather River start. And they had wildlife viewing area also from indoors with telescopes. And then they've got this area out here you can look over the valley. And we're going to go around the side of the Nature Center. You see inside, that's their viewing area for the indoor. And we've got more viewing area out here. Talking about the valley alive with birds. Water comes and goes. Seasonal and permanent wetlands in the area. And then some of the other creatures that are in this area. Picnic area over here, and a little, looks like a little center for having talks and several benches here. Yeah, it's Wednesday, September 4th, about 1:30 in the afternoon. We stopped at the Sierra Valley Preserve, and we're just checking it out. The Sierra Valley is the ancestral homelands of the Washoe and Mountain Maidu people who have inhabited this area since time immemorial. Karen and Remy walking up. Remy's been sleeping today a lot in the car. This is the Sierra Valley Preserve Nature Center and Wildlife Viewing Area in Sierra Valley, Plumas County, California.